So you just gotta find the socket that fits and remove these suckers. And after remove the 3 nuts, just take this thing off for the horn and the steering wheel. Now in order to take this out, you're gonna need a puller, steering wheel puller. Let me show you. If you have those 2 holes, you just put the screws there, or bolts, that way you can hold on to it. And then this one, you screw it in, and it's gonna push it out. You see, it's already coming loose. Well, actually, I need to tighten these a little bit more that way. Oh, yeah. And it's out. Gotta take these off now. Now I gotta assemble the adapter. Well, put it on. I'm not gonna assemble it. I'm just gonna screw it to the steering wheel. Now, for the new steering wheel, I had to put the adapter first, 5 bolts, but where's this part? Alright, now I have to put this one. It has 2 bolts, so I put them to the other side, but I lost the bolts, or it didn't come with any. So alright, so luckily I was able to find these 2 from another project. So I'm probably gonna be missing these two and whatever else I was gonna do. I forgot what they were for, but today I'm gonna go for the steering wheel and this part. My recording glasses died, like freaking always. I don't know what's wrong with the damn battery. So so let me just put this. Now the screws are gonna go through here into these 2 holes. So let me do that right now real quick. There, it's screwed. I actually used the different screws, not the black ones that I showed you, because they were too short and they weren't really reaching this part. So yep, now I just gotta put it on. Oh shit, my bad. Then you gotta make sure it's straight. The tires are straight when you're fucking doing this. Straight. Okay. So now I'm gonna put this one in there. I'm gonna need my 2 hands for this. So I'm gonna hold the steering wheel and tighten this nut. But I almost forgot. You gotta put this one for the horn. But yeah, I removed the nut, so then I gotta put the nut again. And once it's tight, then I'll plug these in, plug this one in there, and just put it there, and all done. Alright guys, so there it is, installed. Let me know what you think. You like it? If you don't like it, maybe. Yeah, I think it's pretty cool. Well, this is a little bit crooked, I can change it anytime. I'll probably just do that right now. Well, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and let me know if you like the steering wheel. So, yep, that'd be it for today. Laters.